Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. So let's get right into it. So the first step is to go to your browser and search for create Gmail account. Alright, so over here click on the first link over here and now click on create an account. Alright, so once you're in this page, on the left hand side you can see the create account button. Click over here and now select the use. So I'm just going to use for my personal use. So now you have to enter your first name and last name. So let's just do that. Now click on next button. Alright, so over here you have to enter your birthday. And select your gender. And then click next. So over here you can choose your email address, or you can just click over here and create your own. And now you have to enter a password, so you can create a strong password. Okay, so now you can enter your recovery email address. Just in case you forget your password, you can use this email to recover the account. But if you don't want to do that, you can just click on skip. And over here you have to add your phone number. So let's do that, or you can just skip this process as well. And now click on next. Alright, here we have some privacy and terms. Just click on I agree and move on. Okay, there you go. Now your account has been created. So this is your Gmail ID and your Gmail account has been created. So that is how you can create a Gmail account from scratch. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.